Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to part 4. We're going to be comparing and contrasting a bat and a bird. We're going to be using many kinds of bats, our story, to help us with this. So remember, when we compare and contrast, we need to see how they are the same and how they are different. So remember, too, I know we have to do a lot of remembering here, that bat will be different on this side versus the bird being different on this side. So first I have my bat, and I'm going to write bat underneath, and then I'm going to highlight that area for the bat. So bat. Now I'm going to highlight that side of the circle so that I can remember that this is the only side that the bat's information goes on. Then I'm going to come on over here to the bird, and I'm going to write bird underneath. Then I'm going to highlight this side of the circle so that I can remember that this is the bird. Remember, the middle means what? Do you remember? Nice job. If you said same, awesome work. If not, that's okay. Mistakes happen and we're all learning. No biggie. So I'm going to put same right in the middle so that I know that all the information that is the same about the bat and the bird go here. Now, who remembers what these two circles, when they come together, are called? I'll give you a clue. I'll start it out. Starts with a V. And then the other word starts with a D. Oop, I had to do that a little bit smaller. Now, if you said Venn diagram, woohoo, nice work. If not, no biggie. We are just learning. So Venn diagram. The more you practice, the more you'll understand it, right? Right. Venn diagram. All right, here we go. We need to figure out, because our job is, how are they the same and how are they different? We need to compare and contrast. So using my book, I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at it. So my job is to see how they're the same and how they are different. So going back to page 2, did you ever see an animal fly at night? Maybe it was a bat. Bats and birds can fly, but they are not the same. Bats do not have feathers like a bird. Bats do not lay eggs like a bird. All bats have wings to help them fly. Bats have thin skin on their wings. Bats also have long fingers and thumbs. Many bats use their thumbs to walk or climb. Whoa, that's a lot. I think we have our answers just on these 2 pages. What do you think? So let's go back. So did you ever see an animal fly at night? Maybe it was a bat. Oh, bats and birds can fly. Ooh, great. That is how they're the same. So for this one, I will write, let me get that. Can fly. So bats and birds can fly, but they are not the same. Well, I hope I find out facts. Bats do not have feathers like a bird. All right, so for bird, I'm going to put what? From bats do not have feathers like a bird. If you said feathers, good job. I'm going to put feathers. Feathers. Let's keep going. So the next sentence, bats do not lay eggs like a bird. So we'll put lay eggs. Now, you're probably wondering why I keep putting these dots everywhere next to my words, and that's just to help me stay organized, like using this Venn diagram. This helps me make sure I'm putting it in the right place. Now, you don't always have to write. You can use pictures. So you can get a magazine, you can cut them up, you can put pictures in there if that helps. It's whatever is easiest for you. So now, so far we have can fly for them being the same. A bird has feathers and lay eggs, but did we learn anything about a bat? No, we did not. Let's go over here to page 3. All bats have wings to help them fly. Okay, so bats have wings, birds have wings. It doesn't technically say that, but you know that already, so let's put it in here. Wings. So they both have wings to help them fly. Now, bats have thin skin on their wings. So over here, I'm going to put thin skin. Feathers is what the birds have. Thin skin is what the bats have. Bats also have long fingers and thumbs. Many bats use their thumbs to walk or climb. So they have thin skin, long, make sure we're using our vocab word, long fingers, and thumbs. And they use this to walk or climb. Wow, that's a lot of facts about bats and birds. So we just did an amazing thing and we compared and we contrasted. We found out what is the same, and then we found out what is different between a bat and a bird. So remember, the same is they can fly and they have wings. A bat is different from a bird because they have skin, thin skin, long fingers and thumbs that they use to walk and climb. And a bird is different from a bat because birds have feathers and lay eggs. Remember, we used a Venn diagram to help us figure this out. Also, if you don't want to write the words, always think about using pictures. So ask mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever you live with, say, hey, do you have old magazines, old newspapers that I can use to do a Venn diagram? So you cut them out and then you put them on. But always ask first before you do something like that, especially using scissors. Well, you guys did amazing. So proud of you. I hope this helps you with your story, and I believe that it will, and you all will do a fantastic job. Talk to you soon.